Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to archive an Amazon order on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, you cannot use the Amazon app to archive orders. It does not support this feature. So instead, open a browser on your phone. I'll use Chrome. Go to the search bar and type in Amazon.com. The site will open in mobile view, which still doesn't allow archiving. To fix this, switch to desktop mode. In Chrome, tap the three dots at the bottom right, scroll down, and select Request Desktop Site. If you're using a different browser, the location of this option may vary, but the name remains the same. Once in desktop mode, zoom in as needed. Tap on Returns and Orders. This is where your past orders are listed. Locate the order you want to archive. At the bottom of that order, tap Archive Order. A confirmation box will appear. Confirm it, and the order will be archived. If the order included multiple items, all items in that order will be archived together. To view archived orders, go to Accounts and Lists, tap Account, then scroll to Archived Orders. From here, you can view or even unarchive past orders. This is helpful if you're hiding gifts from family members on a shared account. So that's basically how you can archive an Amazon order on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.